Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm about to show you how I got this look using the old Love Me hair wig and the Wig Guru's lace tint. So make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss a thing.
I'm calling. Yeah, maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. All mine. Yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies, and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Be with no one but me. Yeah, baby. Come on. To my thick chicks down in Texas, all the way to New Orleans, where the girls cook catfish. And in LA, every chick's an actress. Hollywood status with the shaded glasses. To Detroit, yeah, the place that I rest, where the ladies got asses and la sex. And Hot Atlanta, y'all, is one of the best, where they speak southern slang and smoke la cess. And New York women are way too fresh. Too much on your mind, let me ease that stress. I wish you all were mine, it's so selfish. Maybe I'm feeling myself too much, I guess. But to my ladies all across the globe, in small towns that I don't even know, to all local international codes. Whether you see me in streets or catch me at shows, I'm calling. Yeah, maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. All mine. Yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies, and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Be with no one but me, baby. And I'm calling. Yeah, maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. All mine. Yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Be with yeah. No one yeah. but me. Yeah, baby.
Rated X. That means you're extra.
Hey, you still watching and you haven't subscribed yet? What are you waiting for? Push that subscribe button. much my finished look. I'm pretty satisfied. The hair did come from Love Me Hair. It is their 20-inch undetectable BODYWAVE 2.0 upgrade. I'll use wig gurus to kind of tint my lace, which if you buy it straight out and you're a beginner, you do not need to do all that, because you know I customize all my wigs. Well, you probably don't know, but I do customize all my wigs to my liking, as you can see. But if you're a beginner and you don't know what to do, I do have another video on my page to show you how you can customize your lace, as well as installing your lace. So that's the end of my video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.